Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Daily Quiz. Have you heard about primary standard and secondary standard? These are important concepts and are often tough to understand. Before knowing about them, we have to understand what is a standard solution. When the strength of a solution is known exactly, it is known as a standard solution. A standard solution is prepared by dissolving a given mass of the solute in a given volume of solvent. For example, if you want to make a standard solution of oxalic acid, you have to dissolve a definite amount of it in a definite amount of solvent or solution. Compounds like oxalic acid, sodium carbonate, more salt, etc. are primary standard. These are called primary standard because they are found in pure and stable form, and an exact amount of such substances can be directly transferred by weighing and dissolving in a definite volume of solvent to prepare a standard solution directly. Let us understand this with the help of a laboratory experiment. Suppose you have to find out the strength of an unknown solution by titration against standard oxalic acid solution. For example, the strength of the unknown solution of sodium hydroxide is to be determined by titration against oxalic acid. In this case, you can directly weight specific amount of oxalic acid and dissolve it in a specific volume of solution to prepare the standard solution of oxalic acid. Then, by titration against the unknown sodium hydroxide to determine the concentration of the sodium hydroxide solution. On the contrary, secondary standard compounds are not found in the pure form and are hygroscopic. Hygroscopic means having the tendency to absorb moisture from air. An exact amount of such substances cannot be directly transferred. In other words, their standard solution cannot be directly prepared by weighing. A solution of secondary standard is prepared by dissolving approximately the required amount, and then the exact strength is determined by titrating against a standard solution. Common examples include hydrochloric acid, sodium hydroxide, sulfuric acid, etc. Let us take an example. Determine the strength of an unknown solution of oxalic acid by titration with a standard solution of sodium hydroxide. Although this example contains the same solutions, but the case is reversed. Here, the unknown solution is oxalic acid and the standard solution is sodium hydroxide. And we know that sodium hydroxide is a secondary standard compound. Therefore, we cannot directly take sodium hydroxide and prepare the standard solution. First, we have to weight sodium hydroxide approximately near to the amount required, then dissolve it in a definite volume of solution to get a solution of sodium hydroxide nearly equal to the required strength. Then we have to titrate it against another standard solution present to determine the actual strength of sodium hydroxide. Only after getting the actual strength of sodium hydroxide, we can finally titrate it against the given unknown solution of oxalic acid and calculate the strength of oxalic acid. So this is the basic difference between primary standard and secondary standard. I hope you understood the difference clearly. Thank you very much.